Alright, what is up everybody? Mud Junkies here, and I just received a package from Gator Waders. So y'all stay tuned and let's unbox it. Alright, I got you on the tripod. Now it's time to get into this box. From Gator Waders, with a good old box cutter. I'm so excited. If y'all haven't, this will be my first time to actually wear waders, and especially getting them from Gator Waders. That's awesome because I've heard a lot about Gator Waders and all this, and there's a lot of people that are has sponsors by Gator Waders and stuff, and oh, look at that color. Oh yeah. Okay, so this is my girlfriend's. We'll set these to the side, wait for her to get home so she could open it up and try them on and see if she likes them or not. Oh, yep, these are her boots too. Got they have camp boots, just to wear around camp and stuff. They're watertight water boots. I don't know what to describe them as. Freaking cool. She's gonna be excited and stoked. But here are mine. So, it took me a while to get the package open. It was knotted up and all that, but here are the waders I got. I didn't get insulated because I'm going to be wearing them in summer a lot and stuff, so. Oh, that's cool. They even come with a little patch and some glue and stuff. That's pretty cool. But look at these things. Check them out. Alright, so I had to readjust the camera so y'all can see them. Look at these. Check those out, man. Got a little Gator Wader logo. Waterproof. Got the waterproof pocket. Shoot yeah. Alright, I'm trying them on and then I'll get back with y'all. Alright, so like I said, I never owned waders before, and these are freaking comfy. I'll tell you what, they're light, they are comfy. Came with a little waistband, keep it tight to your waist. Has little hand warmers, pocket for your hands. Has these, you can put anything in the shoe. Put a vape, got a pocket for your vape, anything. Lighters, whatever you need. But yeah, dude, these things are nice. I got the shielded, I'll show you what. Alright guys, so what I mean by shielded, all it is are these little black. It pretty much it's an extra layer of protection, and they're not pants, they're boots. The boots are connected. The boots are connected, but they look like they're pants. These things are freaking awesome. I'm telling you what, Gator Waders, man. Oh, I forgot to say, you got a little pocket right here. Oh, magnet? What? Okay. Yo, Gator Waders are the way to go. I'm telling you what, I'm so excited that if you can't tell by my smile, I can't wait to go hop on the four-wheeler, go jump in some mud, man, some water. Stay dry, that's the main thing, stay dry. That is freaking sick, dude. If you haven't got you a pair of waders and you're looking to buy some, I'd hit up Gator Waders. Go to their website. They do sales all the time. Like I said, my girlfriend, she got these little camp boots. They're waterproof. They're pretty much just small rubber boots. And I heard that they're super comfy. So just to wear around the camp, lollygagging around, not out mudding in them or whatever. You can go mudding in them, but they're camp boots. They're meant for around the camp and stuff. Also, the rubber boots in these things are so freaking comfy. It's like memory foam. It's like I have a tennis shoe on pretty much. I feel like I could go run a mile right now. No lie. For somebody who has never owned a pair of waders or anything, Gator waders are the way to go, I swear. These things are amazing. Also, look at this color, dude. This camo, the pocket. The pocket, it has like wool or something in it. Like, it's comfy. And it's gonna keep my hands warm like when it's cold out. But yeah. Freaking Gator waders, man. They know what they're doing. Trust me. Oh yeah. Alright, well, I think that's gonna do it for this video. It's gonna be my first actual video to post on YouTube. So if y'all want to follow my journey on YouTube, y'all make sure to like, subscribe, comment. I'll answer all your comments, any questions you have. And y'all go follow me on TikTok. We're almost to 20K followers on TikTok. So got a lot of content up on there. I had just gotten a brand new 2023 Can-Am Outlander tan. Badass. The freaking new headlights on that, whoo, LED, don't even need a light bar. Like, they're that bright. But just got some brand new Gator waders. First pair ever. Freaking excited. I'm ready to go to the mud park. So we're gonna be going out there Memorial Day weekend. I think we're gonna go to Creekside in Splendora, Texas. It's my local park, but we'll be out there, me and a couple buddies, and I'm gonna bring GoPro. Just got a GoPro 2. That's what this is being filmed on. Just got a brand new GoPro, so I'm gonna have GoPro footage on my TikTok and on my YouTube. So y'all make sure to stay tuned for that. Lot of GoPro footage coming. A lot. I just ordered a helmet. My girlfriend just got me a helmet for my birthday. Birthday's coming up. Got another ride on June 16th. Around that weekend, June 16th. Don't know where we're gonna go yet. We might go to Extreme in Crosby, Texas, or maybe Sabine or River Run, because I'm located in Texas. So I gotta go to like all the Texas parks until I want to venture out and go travel. Maybe like Busco one year or something. Go up there. Because that park is huge. I think it's like a 6,000 something acre park. But yeah, like I said, I'm new to the whole YouTube thing. I've been doing TikTok for about 2-3 years now. I'm growing on there, especially with all this new content I'm putting out with that Can-Am. That Can-Am's badass. Like, best purchase ever on that. Because my old videos and stuff, I was on the old 300 Kawasaki Bayou. So y'all stay tuned. Freaking, man, stay tuned, yeah. Alright, that's gonna do it for this video, but y'all make sure, like, subscribe, go check out my TikTok in my bio, in my YouTube channel bio. But y'all make sure, stay tuned. Thank y'all. Show some love on my YouTube and my TikTok. And I'll catch you on the next one.